activity tu. Bila kata describe, you have to memang totally describe. Ya, kena huraikan. Bila huraikan, macam mana cara nak huraikan? Pejam mata, bayangkan diri kita ada kat situ and then you give all the details. Cara apa tu macam percakapan ke, suasana tu macam mana, you give the details. You close your eyes, sama macam part 1, part 2, part 1 pun you buat outline dulu. Prepare outline, you jangan straight away answer the questions. Okay, prepare outline. Okay, dia tanya, I heard that there were lots of fun things to do. Okay, apa dia yang fun tu? Okay, di sini dia cuma kata there were many fun activities kan. Tapi kalau yang high band tu, dia kata apa? The activities were highly engaging. Yeah, I have never seen students so exhilarated during the camp. Jadi maknanya bila dia pejam mata, dia kata bagi dia macam dia tak nampak fun. Bila dia pejam mata, dia nampak engaging. Engaging maksudnya apa? Penglibatan, keterlibatan. Ya, fun tu just okay, fun. Tapi bila kita kata keterlibatan, why you say there are many students take parts and involved together to make the project success. Okay, so I rephrase, make it easier. Yeah, there are many students involved in the projects and they work together to make the project success. Okay, we were having such a wonderful time together. Okay, how do I say this? Because when I close my eyes, I can see that many students, you know, they help each other. Saya nampak dalam mata saya kat situ. If you don't close your eyes, you cannot describe things.